Please start. Children, here the question is, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. Now, children, first of all, we should be aware what is the definition of a composite number. What is the definition of a composite number?
Which has more than two factors.
Numbers which have more than two factors.
Right? So a composite number is a number which has got more than two factors. Now it hardly matters whether it has got 3 factors, 4 factors, 5 factors, 10 factors or whatever factors. Just that we need to show that it has got more than 2 factors. है ना बेटा? So that is what we need to show. That is our target. So just see what we are going to do here is, we are given 7 into 11 into 13 and plus 13. That is what we are given. So here we have 2 categories. One is this part, second is this part. Now any number that can be taken common from these two. These are plus 13.
And 13.
Yes. So I am going to take 13 common. And when I take 13 common, there is something which is left in the bracket. What will left here? What will be left here?
7 into 11.
7 into 11.
And what about here?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Right? So this is 13 into, I am calling this as M. This is a small calculation, children. I know 7 into 11 is 77 plus 178. Right, this is a small calculation. But I may get bigger numbers, guys. Show that this is composite. I'm just giving you an example. So why to multiply such big numbers? I'm not going to do all that. I am going to give you a general method for solving these questions. What you have to do is, whatever is there in the bracket, call that bracket as M. Okay. Now 13, this is 13M. Is this number 13M divisible by 1?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Number divisible by 13?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clearly 13M, so if you divide by 13, only M will be there. है ना? Is this number divisible by M also?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever is the value of M, जो भी value हो, वो cancel हो जाएगा. So it is getting divisible by 1, by 13, and by M also. So how many factors does it have?
3.
3.
More than 2. More than 2. So does it become a composite number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to write is 13 into M, which is equal to 13M. And I told you about this sign earlier. This is read as where? How do we read it? Where? Where M is equal to 7 into 11 plus 1 is an integer. This we need to write. Because when we solve it, multiply and add, it becomes an integer. So where 7 into 11 plus 1 is an integer. So clearly, given number means this number. Clearly, given number is divisible by 1, 13, and M. That is, it has more than 2 factors. Children, it is very important for us to write this, that it has got more than 2 factors. Otherwise, we will not get full marks. Because this is showing that we know the definition of composite number. It is a composite number.